Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. In this video we shall be looking into set operation. In sets there are important operations that should not left unspoken. And these set operations, they are well known in the mathematical world, where we talk of union, intersection, differences, symmetric difference. In mathematics, we even go further by representing this data using the Venn diagram. But in this video, I shall be demonstrating on how to perform union and intersection and how you can use it in your machine learning and artificial intelligence development. Let us look into it by first creating two sets. And in these two sets, we shall have a set of odd number. Let's say set of odd numbers. In these two sets is where we are going to perform the union, the intersection, the difference, and the symmetric difference. Let us create the set of odd number. Set underscore odd number is equals to, let us just call it odd. We open the curly braces. Odd numbers, we have 1, 3, we have 5, we have 7, and we have 9. These are the odd numbers that I'm having, and we can print here set underscore odd. And we can also have a set of prime numbers. Set of prime numbers. We are going to do union intersection with these only two sets. So let's say set underscore prime for prime numbers. Prime is equals to, on prime numbers we are going to have 2, we're going to have 3, we're going to have 5, 7, and let us have 11. Print set underscore prime. So these are the two sets that we are having, and these two sets, they can display the odd number and the prime number. Let us run print. Right, as you can see here, we are having a set of odd numbers and we are having a set of prime numbers, as you can see. Now what we need to do, let us print the set operation. Let us say print, let us pass a print statement here, and here we are going to do set operations. Set operations. Now to do set operation, we are going to start by union. So let's say hash union. Let us create a variable. Let us call it union underscore set. And a union is a joining of two sets, combining. For example, a marriage. In marriage, we are joining two individuals, a male and a female. So these two are joining together to form a family. So we are calling it a union. So a union is the joining together of two separate entities to form one. So let us join these two sets. So we are going to join set of odd number, set underscore odd dot union set of prime numbers, set underscore prime. We are going to join these two. Then after joining, we are going to print. Print. Let us put a string here for union. Now we put our variable union underscore set. So this is for union. And we have also what we call intersection. Intersection. On intersection, we are looking at the two sets that we are having. What is that which is common in both sets? For example, we are saying a union is a joining together of two separate entities, for example, a male and female. But on intersection now, what is connecting these two probably maybe is the child or something else. So in this case, on intersection, we are going to look into what is common between these two sets that we are having. So let us write our variable as intersection here, underscore set is equals to the set of odd number, set underscore odd dot intersection. We call our function intersection. Then we pass the prime number, prime. So here in these two sets, we are checking the common elements which are found in these two sets. So here, let us put a string intersection, then comma, then let us put our variable intersection underscore set here. Let us now look into the difference. So when we talk of difference in sets, it's like we are talking about complement, or what is found in set of odd number which is not found in set of prime number. So let us take a look into difference. Difference. Okay, so other they might call it complement. So difference here, let's say underscore set is equals to set underscore odd dot difference function. Then here we call we pass our prime number here. Then we write print statement. Then on print statement difference, then we put a comma here. Then we say difference. We put our variable here. So difference underscore set. After doing so, now let us put our last set operation, which is symmetric difference. Hash symmetric difference. So here on symmetric difference underscore difference, symmetric difference here is equals to, so we are going to take a set of odd number dot a set of odd number set underscore odd number dot symmetric underscore difference. Then we put the set of prime numbers, prime. Then now we can print symmetric underscore difference. Then here let us pass the variable symmetric underscore difference. Then after doing so, after finishing all this, we can run our program to see the result. Okay, there is a print statement error which is in capital letter. Here, let us put a small letter P. Right, as you can see, these are a set of operations that we can find in sets. In this operation, we have set of union. In union, we join odd numbers and even numbers. And what we can do to actually quickly see the output, we can say print here odd number, print here set underscore odd, and we can also say print here set underscore prime. Then we can run here. So we can see now on union, we are joining together the odd numbers and the prime numbers without repeating the element. That's why we are saying here we are having 5, here we have 5, but we only take one element there because there's no need for duplication in sets. Then on intersection, we are looking at the common elements. Here we are having 5 and 5, 3 and 3, 7 and 7. So these are the common elements which are found in both the sets. Then the difference, we are saying which are the elements which are not found in prime numbers. For example, 1. 1 is not found in prime numbers, so we take 1. 9 also is not found in prime numbers, so we take 9. So this is called the difference. And also symmetric now, symmetric difference. We are looking on both elements, on both sides, where 1 is not found in prime number, 9 is not found in prime number, but at the same time 11 also is not found in odd numbers, and as well as 2 is not found in odd numbers. That is what we call, in odd numbers, that is what we call symmetric difference. I think this is all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.